Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing. Now, this is a mystery box. This is the Morphe, the surprise box. This is a 9-piece face and eye collection, and I don't know what's in here. Morphe did 2 different boxes. They have a $35 one, which is a 5-piece set, and a $50 one, which is a 9-piece set, which is the one I have here today. When I am filming this, they still have some left, so I will have a link in the description box down below. Also, we have a new setup. I know it's a little different, but please just let me know what you think. This is a background behind me, and I do eventually want to get like a different background. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? If not, let me know. Also, I don't have makeup on, and I'm not putting any on because my skin has had like 9 days in a row with makeup, and it needs a break. I am breaking out, and I need a break. But let's just jump right into this. I did cut it open just to make my life 10 times easier. This is what it comes in. Super cute packaging. You open it up, and this is what it looks like. So let's start over here in the corner with these brushes. I see 3 different brushes. Now, I do love Morphe brushes, don't get me wrong. I absolutely love their brushes. They are some of my favorites, but we have 3 different ones. It looks like 2 eye brushes and a face brush. Let's open these up. This is the R32 brush. Good for blending shadow in the crease. Super, super pretty. And then we have the R39 brush. Looks like this. Kind of more of a flat brush. Would be good for, you know, getting in the outer corner. As you can see, it's like flat but fluffy. And then we have the R14 brush, which, if I'm not mistaken, I have this brush. I do have this brush. So these are the same brushes. You wouldn't be able to tell, but they are. This one's just obviously like newer. And this is my all-time favorite blush brush in the entire world. I am so excited to have another one. I mean, eventually the bristles will probably look like that, but I'm super excited. I love this brush for blush. One of my favorites, and I'm so happy to have another one. So those were the 3 brushes we got, and then we have a pair of Morphe Premium Lashes in Posh. I've never tried Morphe lashes, so I'm definitely excited to try those. They look absolutely stunning. They say, softly chic with some extra oomph. These wispy wonders will leave you with wearable lashes for every occasion. Okay, super excited about that. The band looks really nice on them, and I definitely will give them a try. Next we have this Blushing Babes Pop of Pink Talk Flirty. Says, Blushing Babes Pop of Pink, Talk Flirty. Feeling cheeky? We thought so. You're a Morphe babe after all. Show your true colors with this trio of creamy blushes. I have a Morphe brush trio already. I don't think this is the same one. Like, I guarantee, I'm pretty positive it's not. This one is in Pop of Pink. Okay, super, super pretty. It's got a mirror and a protector, and this is what the shades look like. Let's do some swatches. So we have Rule Breaker, Free, and Spirit. Super pretty shades. I love Morphe blushes. The formula is really, really good. I'm excited about that. And these are like $12 if I'm not mistaken. Next we have some lip products. The first one we have is the Morphe Lip Crayon in Lilas. Let's open this up. Looks like it's such a pretty shade. I've never tried any of Morphe lip products, so I'm excited about this. Okay, this is an actual lip crayon. Looks like this. It looks to be a really pretty shade. However, I'm not the biggest fan of actual lip crayons. I'm going to throw this in a future giveaway for one of you guys because I don't use lip crayons. It's just not something I use. But super, super pretty shade. It's like, oh my gosh, it's a gorgeous shade. And then we have a Morphe lip gloss in Frosse. I don't know. It's F-R-O-S with an E, but an accent over the E. So Frosse. Y'all don't quote me on this. Oh, okay. This is the packaging. This is a really different packaging, but that's the gloss. It's like a pink with purpley iridescent shimmer. Let's swatch this. Doesn't have a smell, which is nice. Okay, yeah, it's just a clear gloss with like purple iridescent shimmers. It just shows up clear on the hand, but it's super, super pretty, very glossy. I will definitely get some use out of that. And the last lip product we have is a Morphe lipstick, Mega Matte, Super Matte in Morphe. And it looks to be a gorgeous, gorgeous red. I love a good red, especially for this time of year. Okay, and it's got the same packaging as the gloss. Looks like this, super, super pretty. I love the packaging, it's unique. Let's open this up. Oh, okay, so you open it up and this is what it looks like. It's got the M engraved into it for Morphe. Oh my goodness, that looks to be an absolutely stunning red. Let's do a swatch. I don't want to mess up the M though. That's the swatch. That is a gorgeous red. It's just a good cool toned red, which I prefer a good cool toned red, and that is just, oh my gosh, I'm in love with that. And it says Morphe on it. I love the packaging. It's like that sleek black with, you know, the kind of shiny writing on it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. Their eyeshadow palettes are amazing. I love their eyeshadow palettes. And this one is 35R Ready Set Gold eyeshadow palette. This is not an eyeshadow palette I have. Let's just open it up and see what the shades look like. Depending on what they look like, I may throw this in a future giveaway. So it looks like this. It is their new packaging. Oh, had it upside down, I guess that would help. It is their new packaging. So you open it up and ooh, okay. So that's what it looks like. It did come with a card that says all of the shades. These are all gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous shades. However, none of these are kind of like screaming out to me. These are all shades I have. And I'm trying to be better about not, you know, opening makeup I'm not going to use. So I will throw this into a future giveaway for one of you guys because Morphe is an amazing brand. I love, you know, all the products that I've tried I love. And I want someone else to be able to try them. So we're just going to throw this absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette in a future giveaway. Like, look at that again. Stunning, and it's got the card with all the shade names. Okay, so that is everything we got in the Morphe surprise box for $50. I definitely think it was worth it. We got an eyeshadow palette, a pair of lashes, we got a blush trio, we got 3 lip products, and 3 brushes. 110% worth it. I am so excited to try everything in this box, and there are only 2 products I will not be using. One because the colors aren't speaking to me, and another because I don't use lip crayons. Other than that, I am so excited to try all this. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to see more of my lovely face, you can follow me on all my social media down below. I am on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter for a little more behind the scenes look at my life. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.